Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all seen that video. You know the one. The generic guy in a suit typing on a laptop, or that cheesy, overused handshake footage from a free stock site. Listen, sites like Pixabay or Pexels are great when you're just starting, but here's the scary truth. YouTube's algorithm is getting incredibly smart at flagging reused content. If your entire video is just a collection of the same clips that 5,000 other channels have used, YouTube might decide your channel isn't original enough to monetize. That's how channels get strikes or even banned before they ever get a chance to grow. In my last video, I talked about storytelling, but today is about visual safety and aesthetic. I'm going to show you how I use my phone to create custom cinematic B-roll that doesn't exist anywhere else on the internet. No more copyright anxiety, just pure branded storytelling. Let's get into my phone. Now, you might be thinking, I've tried AI image generators and my images look weird. I get it. The secret isn't the tool. I'll show you the tools in a minute. The secret is the S.L.A formula. See, AI is like a very talented artist who is also, well, a bit of an idiot. You have to be specific. S is for subject. Be literal. Instead of a library, try a stack of vintage books with a golden magnifying glass. L is for lighting. This is where the classy feel comes from. I always add words like warm ambient glow or cinematic shadows. A is for aesthetic. Tells the AI the vibe. For my channel, I use dark academia and 8K photorealistic. Look at this difference. Don't just ask for a bridge. Ask for a minimalist 3D render of a golden bridge and a foggy abyss. That is the difference between a video that looks like a school project and one that looks like a brand. Okay, so we have these beautiful images, but static images are for Instagram. On YouTube, we need movement. If you're using Meta AI, you can actually ask it to animate or imagine a video of what you want. This is a total game changer because it's actual video files for free. But we have to be realistic. These free tools change their rules all the time. One day it's free, the next day it's behind a paywall. So here is my old reliable method, the illusion of motion. First, import your image into CapCut. Click on the clip, go to Animation, and look for 3D Zoom. Voila, look at that. The image feels alive. If you want to be even more precise, I use keyframes. I set a starting point, zoom in just 5% at the end of the clip, and now the viewer's brain thinks they are watching a cinematic pan. It's a small trick, but it's the reason people stay glued to the screen. The biggest mistake I see new creators make is visual chaos. 1 minute the video is bright and happy, the next it's a dark cartoon. It's confusing for your audience. To be a relaxed creator, you need a visual style guide. I use the same five power words in every single prompt. For me, it's gold, cinematic, moody, minimalist, and 8K. This ensures that everything belongs in the same world. I've put my signature prompt pack in the description for you. You can literally copy and paste my style into your own AI tools right now. But wait, visuals get them to look. Storytelling gets them to stay. But there is one thing that will kill your channel faster than bad stock footage: a robotic AI voice. If your narrator sounds like a GPS, people will click away in 3 seconds. In the next video, I'm going to show you the exact humanizing settings I use to make an AI voice sound like a real person with real emotions. Subscribe so you don't miss the voice masterclass. I'll see you in the next one.